Welcome! Today, I am going to teach you a delicious and simple way how to cook Philippine chicken soup. To make this super yummy recipe, we will need the following ingredients: 3 chicken breasts and 3 drumsticks, 1 medium onion sliced, 4 cloves crushed garlic, a small-sized chayote or vegetable pear cut into pieces, 1 medium-sized ginger sliced, lemongrass, 1/3 cup moringa leaves, a tablespoon of oil, a half tablespoon of salt, and a half teaspoon of black pepper, a chicken bouillon cube, 5 cups of water, and a half teaspoon of soy sauce. When cooking this soup, we first need to preheat our pan and add cooking oil to it. Once the oil is heated, add crushed garlic and saute for a few seconds. Then add sliced onion and cook for a few more seconds. Next, we add the sliced ginger and saute just a little longer. Once our vegetables and spices are done, we then add the cuts of chicken, which are breast and drumstick, and saute mixture for seconds of cooking. Then, cover the pan and cook for about 1 minute on medium heat. When that is done, add water to the pan with sauteed chicken and vegetables to making it a soup. Then, season it with salt, black pepper, chicken bouillon cube, soy sauce, and stir to achieve deliciousness. Next, we add the lemongrass and chayote to make it more even tasty. Then cover and bring to a boil. Once our soup has started boiling, then stir the chicken soup. Then we will reduce the heat and simmer our soup for about 3 minutes. Be sure to check the taste of the chicken soup so it is yummy. You can add more seasoning according to your preferred taste. After simmering, it's time to add the moringa leaves to the soup and stir to make it more nutritious. Continue simmering for another minute. Now we're all done. It's time to enjoy this delicious and healthy chicken soup with vegetables. Yum! I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and if you're interested to know the best cuts of chicken to use in soup, be sure to watch my video on that. Also, hit subscribe for more delicious Philippine recipes every week. Thanks for watching and have a great day!